Saturday Sports Page 1 of Jackson, some Jumadia Sodano Pay, and some of Dawson, Bebrela. Na so de se fata sa o te se ne de bia meka no ene a chene kufu na ye de ebrewo yesi akonkon a ye F pack ne BX tablets ena ponse fa edeke ho a ye de nsam no ade ebrewo se se de so no se ne toto no sasa gbo wa nhwa anye ho adwuma ebe ha dwen na ye BX tablets ne F pack na be kanfo ede ama ho sasa bribia no wompom oden abribia pen bia be kwa na ye F pack makoi e kan wono pay ne de nsam na de ebrewo sanso and DBS Industries Limited DBS roofing papa perfie be dinosaur DBS na make come for dia ma but dinosaur ye sanso na obesi dino na concrete work ni steel works ni na koya DBS kroya side work agina mu ka hye no so safa mame na eno edanchan a day 539 almost so ye sponsors ya bring na mo de sia konkom ye je ho bambamba ene yo patro day wa je so 539 top one na me dia ma no star 449 hash ona wo ko no diskagu botom umpewi what do you like a patro dewa omoke ho tempa so yere sam no ati ebrewo MTN everywhere you go network obia use no MTN call last 10 calls awaye na hade yanya size bia no pay or last 10 calls check it be Emudo do na MTN HSN number 1 no MTN te say there almost the same na say momo no person send you be momo ha easy my MTN app no so na buy no beto creditor MTN app no aso bi bia buy MTN so be so my simple easy no any send me can for them na no pay say monsa enka wo MTN app no be ko Play Store Android phone na Yan mufwe eh munye mo so makom App Store no so na makwa download iPhone 4 no na ma download my MTN app na watime ene mo anje mo bi na bibia ti makoyi makoyi ade esi akonkon ne nsam na de pre wo Sergio Manuche Motalaja kwa champon Alex Kobina Stone right time and your James Ongine Bamakion and of course the man Professor Enoch Walanyawala so mo ne me producers no paya o maka me 1 minute sam no ade pre o kai say wo de nankasa beka Kegyiwa ne ho Asiedu Boadi Yamwakwaba, you're live on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Adom 106.3 FM. Kegyiwa na yentisimu fan sabono emfa emro. Yebesha se and you feel the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, catching patrol. Taziri Central African Republic for bedu near Bewama tie hwamenye enya sam keto akra me ka say okopie mu e Ghana camp 23 players are reported and ranwumre na ka training kokoso na ka ye be 12 bi pe say 23 players bi no pe na maye Richard Ofori, South Africa no sina kan and afenso no Jordan Ayew any players bi no they are yet to report to camp apart from Momono 23 players are reported twani mo so mo nyina na ombeto mo to afinke ha akopie mu ewo Kumasi na mo de training na kwa hyeso ansana ya woda match na nkasa baso baba nyara sports stadium ka channel to sa enso efama me amanfo bebre na questions so mo bisa and say ye dan na Andre de Dayewa say one need team captain dia oye but oni team tikanya we dia kama de you ntrenchen kakra no bi menja bi money atiadia na bebre na so say de ntrenchen sen like kesi o tene coach Panipama Black Stars watch him.
Andre comes into a category we know that he hasn't played as much, so we're knowledgeable about the amount of games that he's played, but I also know what he means to the squad. He's our captain. I know what he gives the squad as regards, and anybody in the squad, it's never just about their abilities. It's about what they bring to the squad, some experience, some know-how, how they can affect the other players. So for every player that's in the squad, there is a reason. And there will always be debate about any member of the squad.
Waiting some Chris Hilton, coach Panipama Black Stars, the two guys say, or the player there, Ofro Bia Betanaji, young name the you ever team no more deba. Why a captain, no experience, then your debut team no yasam get to a credit. Ebiat and now can out there, but they did your debut team no and yasam get to a credit. Way and the day you so once, but Macadro, your vice president, the Ghana Football Association, on also watch them, the day you include Yankrophobia Honsam.
He's a phenomenal leader. I mean, he has everybody that knows him that he fights, he leaves everything on the pitch. He doesn't go home with an empty gun. He fires every bullet out there on the pitch. So we all know that. So from that standpoint, you know that he's going to come in and give you 110% every day, every night. And the team rallies around him. He's been around for a long time. He's seen a lot. And he's the captain. So obviously it's important that we all support him.
Wayne and Samamaka, the Vice President, Ghana Football Association. What are you to live on Facebook? And the day you touch it down. I will camp. Tim say, Chama Jenny up and down, need to space. No, I think could toss anything chain. Can't the effect. Can't the Jana. So, as some was a brofon tadie. Can't the effect saying, let's go away in the car. Over can say, come up, what Tessie camp. Aha, 1 year, Minu Shadra, 1 year team manager, Naya 2. Our team camp, Walisa Hotel. And then a team no Elfie, a young kind. Now, Makoko Piemo, our Kumase. Normally train na kwa shasa na medikan akacha on Chris Hilton. One year coach panipa or kasa fa de you who and odin samutu dwasa kwambia so na niabre epeso ginity pa na manfo asa se ere ho se aso ba ro mo hyeda husu yie papa chama kekan ho kakra na makado asan to aso akirem se Chris Hilton no kre oba no performance na is something which is there but still vim omo giredi de oh yeah no on to aso nya ne sa no mfa kakra nka ho na say ya de be hadwen.
Nobody is happy with the performance. I think Chris will be the first person to tell you he himself is not happy with the performance either. We expect more and we are Ghana. So like I said, it is not for the lack of talent. I think it's what we've seen or what we saw in Qatar. We saw that this team can be quite dynamic. So it's a question of making sure that he's picking all the right players and also ensuring that the system that he's deploying is quite dynamic enough to be able to break teams down and so that we can get results. Chris, that is the challenge that he and his technical team have now, and we will support them 100% to make sure that. But it's something that they are working on day and night to make sure that they pick the right team to be able to provide that dynamic results that we are looking for and the dynamic play that we know the Black Stars were playing. We are Ghana. We don't, people don't just say, hey, South Africa, what's 3, 4, be 5 billion.
Maka, the Vice President, Ghana Football Association, and some, I don't know, go to Sports Page 1 live on Adom 106.3. Kegyiwa Nagasanye, Eric Asiedu, Boadi now, and check. Nessa, Bosumia Den, Bibia, answer, son, now, Broy Pumakum, na Koto, some year, Bibia, Nakasa, Ghana Football Association elections now, Ebebaso, Baba, Qua Trinity, or so on a cat, but Shayam, Aja, Kunyaficato, Krakun Samano, Ora George, Aquasi, Free, Enra, your Sports Page 1, so son of a pair, Boom, Musegbrain, Samaka Sawa, how real was Samasa was Kasawa Sampa, maybe Ghana for Diamede Bapania, the idea was said, dear Bakwe, a Kunisun, and it's a Ghana youth teams, and 17, and 20, and 23, no, avenue for top, avenue for top. No, Nina counting of person be president.
Mr. Krekum, I appointed under 15 management team. I appointed under 15 technical team. I did you man 4 years. Tell me, you appoint a technical team for under 15. Then you appoint management team for under 15. You appoint you Enka a whole year the grooming grounds for the next under 17.
Of course, yeah.
Into the under 15 boys who automatically graduate to become the under 17. And they under 17 or tournament. They are free 400 players. More report to first batch 70, second batch 100, third batch that. It is an avenue for corruption because one coach, under 17 coach. First of all, in Tianica. In a one case, one man who coins on friendly per 400. What Komugan and what friendly per 400, 600, 300, 200. What do you expect? And you know what we are doing? You are cutting a certain young man, Nyankopa Mano. Ni achadi na do machadi Nyankopon dia man so obebo no esan say only a certain manager do obedi na chia 20 that boy is denied the chance to play for Ghana.
Way any near Georgia free year the two. Wow, you know, senior elections in the Quachina. I have some, but yeah, national teams and get one under 20 no the Albany. They say under 29 your new head coach. You says some more board former house of full coach. And a coach Dima under 20 they say, you know if you Desmond Affair, one known as they say, where head coach Dima under 20 Black Satellite, what did 35 years, one better take it over. One no sabre where Juma or the technical directorate of the Ghana Football Association. Omiji say, need see who ni nim dia wakwa broche nyina no. Obetuma boama bibia tima koye at the Ghana, we're not scouting our Yabidi, Belgium, Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa, Munyanti, about my boy, Mapa, and not Danchan assistant to Neo that Lamte, former Ghana International, Papa, or Bojma, PSV and Dovi Munia, was Candy, among my experience, you will be called Academy, Winnie Bamoto, and Yasam get to that talent. It's Obaba Bois, Ama, Jumano, easy at the amount fair. Other assistant coach or can Salifu Fatao, where former FC Tanga and Swedro Blast coach. Omujidi Sananwa Danda 20. Godra Karim Jito Kwajaba no an assistant to Bekanwa. About Buapama Biat Makoyana 24 Kachanania. Some of Boadi about Nasi to say pay the piano the Koshe Chanho. They say Chan team Masudi Draman one head coach. Edmada Black Galaxies and Waka. Conclude your penis in chain. And officially assistant coach, the man. Samuel Boadu challenge so sa efame sa so na no enso ebeka assistance na wa bodma na bibia atumi akoye the amount of Black Galaxies of Ghana baba no Samuel Boadu assistance Masudi Dramani wono head coach the Black Galaxies
Jim FM
ana pa yeba sorry so challenge so mame say ya can national teams no and one some club on some kakra so but anyume ya transfer on some ya brand rate ti ho kakra de ma kotokwa kache hasa kache de ekoso ho me no kasa hasa ko bowramu akofodua 30 players na haso for company for their copy new coach and the technical team first technical director almost 30 players we na mo ye training kakra mo hu mo do ma copy hall anyume e be bowramu ya hwese na won some city Ghana Football Association funny for the ba as a Saturday day animu you know me pacho the 2022-2023 season awards night UPSA Auditorium. I must say awarding excellence. And I say rewarding excellence. Best player of the season, goalkeeper of the season, coach of the season, journalist of the season, commentator of the season. Man, commentator of the season, man, no problem. What I say? It's a man only Ginoni. I didn't know. Everybody support here. I was argument here. See, maybe I share one seminar at about 6 p.m. Saturday, the 9th of September. Channel Sosa F5 Mami. Now, no, me, mano, Super Cup near boy. A man also. Ebe bo mo de eti channel sa fami enti ebe di akira wese na wonsam enso ebesi akọ na weekend ya pem da ko afo aba pem da ko afo makoma ya de papa ko tigana nim makọ tigana nim papa ti ye di machi mepie mu ket ko chiam fine airport bo abaso nya dia abuja anyira ya ba ide chinsen be bro wonim se koroko gusu sensan has folks gusu sensan hey and now copy more the 2023 Africa Para Games cost so one kind ya Snit Sports Emporium one kind a chassis Ghana Mrantiani Mabawa no guso Bajumani adia and no said on Samba brother Tamuchuku pa and some day you may be ho and the Bawan and some baby so ha and then some no ebro live on Adom 106.3 FM F pack what penny be quiet F pack be established so Abribian Ponce for the Ken ho. Near the Samono at the bro. Sansona DBS Industries Limited. About dinosaur a DBS. Still works the concrete works DBS. Just a me Thomas DBS roofing Papa Fie day 1539. That's number 5. This guy go but you don't like this one. What do you like? MTN everywhere you go. My MTN app on bring on. Second biaso over mountain. Now odo hun gym na bibia peso your MTN subiano. What's mean with ease, vim and vogo. That's right. I was like, sorry, so. Now just on some good you might to us. So Bishop Brain your message, London Bridget your message, Joe Amo and a personal Rich Solo, Michael Ahine. Yahoo messages near Damas. Someone also I heard live on Facebook. Thank you. I was there. Imatalaja Kwa Champion Les Stone, writer Manora Fail, and of course, Professor Wallace, James McKeon, me producers no. Kasa Bribia, what did Nanka Sambeka Kegyiwa Eric Asiedu Boadi. Yadawasi,